I want to see a lot more Musclecraft skis. This is from Josh. Because I want to see a lot more Musclecraft skis. The problem is with that is even the new GP 1800R is going to have all the Kinects integration and phone and sound system and I don't blame Yamaha for it. I blame the customers. And because more and more people are coming in going, well, of course I'm going to have my phone on there. So I'm going to want my phone to integrate into the dashboard. And oh, GPS navigation, that sounds great. Oh, and I can call home and voice text and blah 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 blah. Can I watch YouTube videos while I'm on my ski? That sounds great. And people are just asking for this stuff. And the manufacturer's just going to be like, okay. I don't blame Yamaha or Sea-Doo or Cowie for this.
Yeah, I agree with you on that. But, it's partially your fault and my fault and my dad's fault. They start coming out with new tech and talk about how good it is. And, I'm at the point, I don't really care about this stuff anymore. And I'm not going to promote this stuff.
Right.
I like just going out having fun. And so maybe, will that change anything? Probably not, but it's worth a shot, I guess.
I agree 100%. I think I did a podcast like 3 or 4 months ago where I'm like, I have to apologize because I encouraged this for 10 years.
Yeah.
I'm guilty. Like I really did. I really felt like I had blood on my hands because I was like, we got this far because I was beating the drum for sound systems. Because at the time, hey, the sound system worked great. Oh, hey, everything works out awesome. Oh, it's so easy. It just Bluetooth pops on your phone. Off you go. Okay, great. And then it was like, oh, I won't buy a ski without a USB port so I can charge my phone.
Yeah.
And it just escalates until that I'm sitting on a ski that I'm like, I'd rather this is a minivan. I don't want to be in a minivan.
Right.
And I mean, it's like Lord of the Rings. It's like we dug too deep.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So but again, I feel guilty because I was a cheerleader on the sidelines, going, "Yay, do more!" And here we are.
And now we got these cruise ships with every feature that you can imagine.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.